abangani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu yabe segudwini
Welcome to Enkundleni Exclusive, brought to you by Deb3 Events, khona lapha at Deb3 Studios. Guys, my name is Nondudu Zongcube and namhla ngihamba ngichenile. I think Leslie will explain further. But if you can see, we are carrying some special technology. It's technology. Yeah. Usually we have a board at the back lapana ejalu sibhalela some topics that we normally discuss on podcast, but now sidithi nasikhamba lesikhathi. So guys, moving on, Deb3 Events, your trusted partner when it comes to media solutions. Guys, whenever you need things like videography and photography for any type of event, you can get in touch with Deb3 Events. And also for all types of events, be it corporate, social, family, church, charity, community event, Deb3 lakho ukuthi ikunike PA system, stage higher, LED screens, special effects, intuthu leziyana elijayele ukuzibona leziyana. There are special machines for that. And Deb3 has those. So get in touch with Deb3 Events using the contacts akhona lapho ku screen. Angihamba ngedwa ngihamba lo Leslie. Namhla kazwakala ubamba itablet.
Yeah, you know, life is a stew, and as I was saying, you know, yeah.
Ngicela unje ukuthi itablet leyo ithethenga. Ngoba Leslie wena ulamali.
Imali ingilayo
pare. Ukuthenga itablet awulayo.
Yeah, kharezo ukukhuluma wehle. Yabona ukuthi imisebenzi emihle iyabonakala. So we've got our partners, our followers from abroad. Abroad, say abroad, say abroad. People that don't drink water, they drink water. So, so special thanks to our partners and our sponsors for your continued support. Okunye asake sibuyela kwe screening sithi nangu, but okunye ngokumsebenzi yakhona ukuthi bathi ayicela ngabeloko libala whiteboard. Sometimes ngiyasentelizima ba sizama ukucheck ukuthi what's happening parikare sinya scroller, so sengikwazi ukuthi what's coming up next is our main partner for the show, Okuhle Designs, for all your graphic work, graphic designing, with whatever that has to do with marketing, whether ufuna ama banners, ama upright, ama slide banners, ama marketing banners, ufuna ama posters, ufuna ama branded t-shirts, ama branded hats, you make sure that you contact Okuhle Designs and they have got you covered. Bakit umuntu ama iPad siyabonga. Kumnandi ubala so
Yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sibonge, our sponsors who provided us with these gadgets. Thank you so much. Siyabona ukuthi into ezinje so that ziyasikhuthaza ukuthi siqhubekele phambili ngomsebenzi. And we feel encouraged nxa sibona abantu besenzela into ezinhle kangaka. Thank you so much. And also I want to take this opportunity to congratulate Ibulawayo. Bulawayo won an award as a top local government stand at ZITF.
Yeah.
So congratulations to Bulawayo. Imsebenzi iyabonakala.
You know, after I think around 4 years, this year I have visited for like not even one day. I'm proud of myself.
Okay.
I attended both business days. Then ngase ngattend ilanga le official opening. Well, for everything enhlala ngisola nge-trade fair, I think ngithande into yokuthi i-official opening ibe nge-Thursday, because kuhlala ungamake sense ukuthi official opening yaba nge-Saturday ngelanga lo trade fair yaphela. So ngibe ngawazi ukuthi ku-openwan lapha.
There's probably a reason for that. I don't know what it is, but I think there's a reason for that, because I think ukhona omunye umuntu futhi wakubuza khona lokho before on the previous episode when I was co-hosting with Umzi, I think wakwayibuza into yena le ukuthi kanti trade fair official opening, but I would like to assume ukuthi there's probably a reason for that. But then
It's an international event.
yes, it is.
And it's something that's isiku calendar. Next year, we are starting to plan next year now.
It has always been like that since. So that's why I'm saying there's probably a reason
No,
for
there's
that.
no reason. Nah, there's no reason. Aye, which up? There's no reason. So this year, do you know what kumnandi so ukuthi official opening happened on Thursday and Thursday beku crowded. It said fair kungangeneki and so I-pressure lani yayehla because most of abantu akade belande specifically the official opening labantu abangena amabhasi mahara whatever and i-pressure la iyayehla le. So it means on a Friday sengikwazi uhamba lo mntana nami because sengikwazi ukuthi wonke umuntu namhla sengena ngosebhadala whatever ku right look here not ukuthi official opening ingelanga lokuvala. Why is city opening alright asithi ni address.
Okay.
So this year I think I loved it. Lama stands. Maybe ukuthi bese lesikhathi ngahamba but kule improvement is sharp civil instead in terms of branding, like you'd feel like you have walked out of Bulawayo and entered into I don't know where. Like branding yakhona was just massive. Bekukuhle kukhona okunye well othi ngakhuluma banjani but okuningi hayi I mean amabhizinisi athi ngangigqoka isudu
Oh,
so
okay.
kanye usugada ibhizi ugqoka isudu hayi yehle sisisindo
So now, I think into, for my part, I think it's about lessons learned.
yeah
I'm one of the people that have always been criticizing ZITF for different and many reasons. But then this year, ngukhangele ngenye indlela. Ukuthi in as much as we say ZITF asiyo yethu as abantu bakobulawayo vela asiyo yethu and stuff like that. Because my network yes is growing. I have a lot of people in my circle now. I have people that are in the B&B business. I have people that are in the
catering
leisure and all that. And you meet these people, they are very excited to say we are going to make money.
yeah which
And
is
after
true.
that they'll be like, ndoda sisebenzile.
Yeah.
So ngukhangele ngendlela ngathi no man, in as much as we say these are Harare people coming to exhibit,
It's actually okay.
Bonela, they are also bringing business opportunities for the locals.
Yeah, true.
And also in terms yakhona ngale ngabona a lot of young men bethengisa, selling stuff
Outside
face
and inside,
painting,
yes.
face painting and stuff like, and they were busy. Uthola undodo oyi-1 so elandelwe ngabantwana ukufika 12
konke
vele
ufuna
sele
ukupenda,
pressure ukuthi mana ngenze masinyane. So I think although it's just for a week, but I think it's bringing in good business for the locals.
Yeah. And also what you're saying, I think it goes beyond because sungathi wena I have nothing to sell at trade fair because anla B&B angikho ku hospitality angikho ku leisure and what
Ama drivers, they made money.
besides uyabona I had a chunk of aboma ice cream abahamba sibili ba register ukuthola ama tag ukuthi every day ule tag like lokungena so uthengisela phakathi and bekumnandi so kumbone segijima le nqola la isiphelile esesiya loada kuthi and uyabona ukuthi wonke umuntu at least for this period of 1 week and a few days uyaphila so yeah lama top soup aphilile.
Indaba yamathosi. Okay, usungiqale mnade semfuna ukukhuluma indaba yokuthi ama content creators umela bhatala i-tax, but anyway, if you guys are really following online, we've been seeing some for me those are nasty exchanges between I don't know whether she's an influencer, Vanessa and Tando. We once had Tando here at the studios.
I don't know what may sebenza amabizo awumsebenzi.
Dramatic Miss, okay? Dramatic, yeah.
Yeah.
Udume ngo Dramatic Miss, yes. And
Nessa knobs.
Yes.
I've got it.
Makala.
I've got it.
So these guys are exchanging. Now, ku-exchange nalena kuphume indaba ka-Top Soup ukuthi u-Top Soup kahle kahle utshoni. And mina khona kungenze ngazizwa into engisele ngilayo ngiyicabangisisa ngoba okunye I don't like the exchanges, especially about women.
I think we once mentioned it to Gobulawayo, like it's not necessary, but well, ngasokufigile.
Instead of promoting each other, but siyadlephana and stuff like that. I don't like it. But ngihlale phansi ngacabanga ngathi okay, u-Top Soup nxa kuthiwa umuntu ongumfazi Top Soup kuyabe kuchiwoni ngoba laphana kulento engizwileyo engana ngizwisisanga ukuthi u-Top Soup ngumfazi olusi ngumfazi ohambe dliwa in courts. So I'm wondering ukuthi do people really know what the word Top Soup means? Because isoup uthi nazikwazi uyisoup echetshwa yesichebo yokudla. But then sokulabantu abangama Top Soup.
I don't know much, but I think ngingazi mina I'm a gentleman. Ngokubona kwami I think into lezi nxa ziqala zabe ziqala like zizinto like that pride of omama and like slay pride sibili ukuthi ngimuhle. You know, everyone wants to have the Top Soup. Even nxa semfeni so wezokuthiwa asigijimeni so that we get the Top Soup, and so it's actually a compliment of something that is nice, something that is rare, something that is different. Into efuna umuntu ongane emtchadweni kuqala ngokudla umakoti lo mkhwenyana and ukuthi bathole i-Top Soup. Then as time goes on, I think kuyachinja. It's like the word slay. If you remember
if I remember well, Top Soup watrenda so kube le Top Soup. You know, I don't want to make this very complicated. Kwaba le Top Soup for ED.
Yeah.
That's when the Top Soup term trended.
Yeah, true.
And now, if the meaning of Top Soup is that complicated,
kwakuthiwa phela ngabantu abahle abakamdala phela Top Soup.
so are we saying the young women for ED are not the Top Soup?
Young women,
we can't have parallel structures.
Young women, and young women is for everyone. Every young woman is there, you know. But now, it's not every young woman who's Top Soup.
So everyone can be in the young women for ED,
yes,
but not everyone can be in the
Top Soup. Great, here I'm gonna be in trouble.
Guys, I see it as Chonjalo. It's social media. Don't find disclaimer.
Yeah,
I see it as Chonjalo.
Yeah.
It's social media Chonjalo. Ukuthi i-Top Soup ile meaning yayo.
So, mama, like I think nanhla ngikhuluma ngithi mama bo.
So now if it's a good thing, why abanye bengafuni ukuthi because u-dramatic miss lapha ubengafuni uku-include ku-Top Soup wathi sicela lingasifaki thina entweni zenu zama-Top Soup yenzani lodwa ama-Top Soup enu. So if it's a good thing as you are saying, why are others excluding themselves, distancing themselves from being Top Soup?
Yabona ukuthi indaba nazazi into I studied these things. Yabona ukuthi into yakhona no injani. You remember when we started, the word slaying started going.
Slay queen.
Slay queen. And kwaqalisa, like I think there is a certain fraction of ladies and abayipushayo that slay queen thing, and okwenza a certain fraction yathi nxa uyukuthi yikho kuslayer lokho and thina sizoze sikwanise thina, and because I don't want to mention names of people njengalusisilwana oweView once, and usisilwana oweView once namuhla ngavuka esithi mina ngi-Top Soup. We have a lot of people that will say, so tina I saw Top Soup. And then we have also a fraction that will say, tina Swiss Top Soup. So I think where ngokuthi kupushwe i-fraction enjani and already vele because kwaqalisa kuyi-top soup for umdala vele kwahle kwayiceleni okuyinto wakho wena
so mele abantu benanzelele kuma-caption
Eh,
lapha
ehe,
bathi top soup obawazi
ehe.
ukuthi what do you mean by
Ehe.
saying when you are a top soup Hayi, anyway indaba leyi it now brings us to the issue leyana engithe kade ukhuluma ngayo
yeah
because we're seeing a lot of emerging content creators, established content creators. Content creation, even khona koBulawayo, it's growing, like seriously growing. And iZimra wants a scoop because we're seeing the big accounts. Okhulunywe kakhulu nguMadam Boss, labo Mightit. Ukuthi they are earning as much as $20,000 per month. And Zimra wants a scoop of that. But now, the issue is ukuthi abantu abaningi that have monetized their accounts are not earning in Zim. My accounts lana they are accounts.
nabo PayPal phela imali zakhona vele
No, like as in your Facebook account, ibe ingasiyo ye-Zimbabwean account, if
Yeah,
you're earning outside the country.
yes
But Zimra now wants a scoop of that.
ngingazi I don't wanna sound rude or anything and but sometimes kucina sokungani abantu esithemba ukuthi kuhlangene abantu abacabanga ama-intellectuals abafundileyo yani kucina kuyinto kwakhona sokungani it's now a group of chancers ukuthi simelele ukuthi into ehambayo kuyini and either sihambe seyibulala or sincindezele because mina indlela engubona ngayo and like sebenzeni bona as Zimra to promote these pages sebenzeni bona as Zimra to promote ama content creators sebenzeni bona as Zimra abangathi no thina we're doing this and so lina alisinanzeleli if it was maybe National Arts Council and I would say maybe ngama artist and the National Arts Council feels like abantu laba baba or things like that. So kimi mepenxe ukuthi ingqondo yami imfitshane angikuzwisisi but it doesn't make sense ukuthi Zimra ithi ifuna ukuthatha imali kuma content creators. Ngeyani imali leya? Then imali lena nxa sebeyithethe iyangaphi because mina as an artist angikhumbuli support engiphiwa ngiZimra.
Yeah.
Angila. Karesi if I want to bring my friend from Zambia ukuthi abuye azoperforma lami eBulawayo Theatre to promote my art ukuthi lami art yami ukuthi ngishare istage lo muntu weZambia and imali omele ngizikhiphe eZimra ziningi kakhulu omele ngizikhipha ukuthi kuthiwe tax clearance kwathola ukuthi akwanisa ukubuya azoperforma wathola and imali zakhona ungaziweka ayikwani imali uyabuzayenza wena kushow eBulawayo Theatre lapha so what are they doing for us thina nje ama artists okungenza bathi hayi lani phela lethani phela a certain fraction so it's now gatekeeping and wrong gatekeeping to be precise because we have now ama content creators akade sebeqalisa ukusprout and they're going to lose hope because abala 15% yona leyo and the 15% yakhona remember bayitrack kanjani nxa mina ngenze ivideo yami ngisenzela iRoyal Car Wash because ngumngane wami then ngiyenze ivideo yami leya then wena nje umngane wami ubuso ne $5 yokuthenga isinkwa so ku $5 le engiphiwe sokumele futhi ngikhiphe 15% ngini Zimra hayi ababuye bazosibopha
I think uyazi ukuthi ngikutshelani mina I know ukuthi ngizwakala ngani ngiyaku-oppose but I think into abayenzayo iqondile but yenziwa ngendlela engaqondanga
yeah
because I was reading an article let's America is a big economy.
yeah
In America, from what I read, if you are an American citizen, even if you earn money in Botswana,
yes
there's a certain amount that you pay to the American government because you are an American citizen. So the same applies with the celebrities, the American celebrities. But now, the American government, it protects the industry.
yes that's what I wanted to say
Mina indaba yeZimra isekuthini why can't our own government try it because content creation it's growing and it's becoming a huge contributor to the economy.
Yeah, true.
Why can't the government also try ukuthi ama-content creators awe-Zimbabwe lawo athole imali yabo because you have to pretend you are a South African or pretend you are in Dubai in order to earn money.
To earn money,
Nxa
yes.
kukhulunywa ngama-impressions, ngama-views and stuff like that. Zimbabwean accounts ayiholisa. There was a time my page yakathi you have earned about $98, but it said I'm in an illegitimate country.
Yes,
You
true.
see that?
Which
I
is very
didn't
true.
get that money, but it was showing me that I'm earning money. Yabo. So now, why can't they work towards making sure ukuthi lathi thina ama-Zimbabweans we can also earn from Facebook, we can earn from Twitter or TikTok and stuff like that, just like the other countries, so that they can get what they think they deserve.
And
I think if they do that, it can work.
Exactly what I was saying ukuthi nxa lisithi lina lifuna imali seliyenzeni because nxa kuyinto la, for example, you're talking about America and America karesi ngabhala ifilm which is talking about American soldiers and not all that. Baniki army mahara. Ikasti yami yaphiwe training ye-army mahara. And ngiyathola like support ukuthi movie yami ingaze yenze 15 million but isicema lethu nyala nsithi. Because the amount of support enyabe ngiyitholile ku craft yami and yabinengi. Karesi ukuthi uthole i-uniform yamapolice. I-uniform saseshuta what thing I mentioned because it wasn't my film, but I was playing a character young police and ngihamba nisiyacela uniform ngilamaphepha atshengisa ukuthi shoot film ngile script esitshengisa ukuthi no, we are not going to be portraying a police in the wrong way, we are going to be portraying a police in the right way. And you realize ukuthi maybe lifuna ukushoota next week and the paperwork yakhona lethatha 2 months ukuthi uzuphiwe i-uniform eyi-1, so sicina sikhiya ukuthi la uzutholeni uniform ogcina udinga ilembu elihambelana lele police and usiyazithungisela. But kwezinye indawo kahle kubuye amanye amapolice ukuthi akwezi ukuthi kube le police eli-1, nansi le veni yamapolice, nanku lalokhu, nanku lama-handcuffs, sesimarketa our services. And
besides that, I think even the therapy, for example, could be earning money from that. Say, no, we'll charge you this much for our resources, our what, our whatever.
Buyalizothatha lisebenzisa. But the only time okata konimoto yamapolice nxa ubotshiwe kumbe trade fair.
At least to get white card.
Angikatanga bengiqoka isuti vele bengezi khonokho.
So the tax thing, I don't think people are opposing being taxed.
No.
But they are opposing ukuthi the government wants to vuna lapho engalimanga khona.
And the boring thing is in Ministry of Art ihlangene le rural kuma ministries and ongawuthi into engelancedo vele. Then into le isibe sesiqala ukuzenzela thina njengama creatives and uthi qala ukuphakama because we are filling up venues as stand-up comedians and very soon izimrap sisithi ifuna imali. And ama musicians they're feeling izimura anti bihlupha karesi lenza ama cover songs and give us enough support and you won't come to us crying ukuthi alezi kuhle.
People will be compliant.
People will be complying. For example, ngaba ama band wona lawan ngaba support because these guys have corporate events, they have this and this, they have this and this, and pari agula that inclusion and then sibe sesizenzela thina eceleni ngapha libe selibona ukuthi siyakwanisa thina ukuzenzela then selifuna imali. No guys, let's come to a table. And
it reminds me of the issue ukuthi kuthiwa isolar so many, but do you remember people have to pay for using solar?
Fakana masola mahara izindlu zonke nxa lifuna sibhadale i-tax yamasola indlu yonke uthi sola mahara ube sothiwa every month letha $15 siyakunika because isola ivuka ikhona. Hayi konke mina ngihambe ngizithengela isola yami ilanga elikaThixo ngiyalikhulekela every day.
I think ama issues anjengana lawa yiwayenza ukuthi because recently besile Independence Day anti yiwayenza ukuthi abanye abantu bazizwe bengekho included in celebrating independence.
True.
Because if you feel like you are being suffocated by your own government instead of ukuthi lawe uzizwe ukhululekile njengelizwe likhululekile elikuthani likhululekile but then you are being attacked financially left, right and center. I think yenza ukuthi people ungananzela abantu, it's independence. It was Independence Day, but there was no excitement. Now, from what I saw, singers abahambe maphisa, but there was no excitement or anything to show ukuthi people are celebrating Independence Day.
Yeah, mina, I attended both. Maybe before I comment on independence and Svali issue Zimra, I can only say a number of times ama-artist abekhala sicela and bekungazwakala bachiyeni la Karis nxa sebephumelela the same way you're ignoring them bekhala and ignore them futhi again. Because labo sebedingile ama-avenues ama-artist Karis, they now doing their own paperwork, approaching corporates, what and so kuze kwananzelelwa final ukuthi we can't live without art, because ungashayisa emsebenzini udriver from emsebenzini usendlini anufu uhamba ulalela radio and that's art, ulalela ingoma and that's art, ufika endlini ufubukela ama-soapies, that's art and mina I want to send this warning ukuthi it's not only going to end on content creation. We are going to bring soapies, we are going to bring movies, we are going to bring stuff and selibuye selisithi sicelani malaba ithi saxabana. Coming back to independence, I mean, I attended both. I went to White City, langa lonke nganse White City, the whole day nganse White City, and I realized that most of abantu ababebuya ngabonana because andikakula ama chicken slice. Line kalakathi. Qinisiwe. Kalakathi line yabantwana nje. So besides abantu vele that they have to be there, ukuthi people have to be there and kule delegation kumele bekhona abanengi awusozibone sibula abadala sibili bephuma ezindlini begqoka amasudu okhulu bethu and besithi siya ku independence and okunye futhi I don't want to sound wrong is part of, because I don't getting lapha kwebusonganisokuyethuselwana ukungena lana and but into yamahara into yokuthi wonke umuntu kangene kuphela so lapha suyethuselelwa ibox le chicken slice then kuyongasaye so njengomuntu omdala you feel like ngcono ngingangena
kanti vele yena owathi kuma events security kumele abe rough mbani
bouncer that's very wrong.
Owathi kumele umuntu abe rough mbani
akhulumele phezulu ukhohle ukuthi abantu laba they are here to support, they are here to show love, they like the reason why abantu laba belapha balento eziningi ezokwenza and kulamabhawa lapha abavela khona they could have celebrated independence emabhawa ngalana but bathe asambene endaweni eyi-1 so nxa ungekho primary linked to whatever that's happening uyakhalala vele uhambe endlini vele so this is what ngangisegedi mina wayisithi I think ngame getting 2 hours because mina kwawumele ngene so that namuhla nginike update ukuthi what was happening 2 hours ngisegedi because bengela take le press and not around and finally ama chicken slice aphela sangena sesingenile well kulidlala ibhora konke okunyakho right then ngase ngihambe emaphisa this is where my frustration is. I'm not worried about attendance and not all right. Hey, it was a good crowd, not what we expected because the stadium wasn't fully packed. And ngafika sokuyigala, so I don't know what had happened. I mean, thing that really pisses me off the most is programming lapana nxesilayina ama-artist.
We've really touched on that
many
times.
And now it's I think so kusiba more frustrating. Mina umlandelo werumba. Mlandelo echibilika mina mlande. So nxa uyanika ugodolode 10 minutes utayenzeni?
Asongoma eyi-1 10 minutes.
Ayikwani. Ayikwani ingoma eyi-1. Ayikwani ingoma eyi-1 and then ubusunika abantu nje like abaphela kudala abo-endimrizo sebaphela laba asilwe hayi sebaphela and akusela lutho Karesi singathi sicelana i-hit Karesi ka-endimrizo and akula Karesi and ukhangela ukuthi uhambe uyebukela anti it was live and uhambe uyebukela iclip la ugodoludi wathi qeda ukuperform abantu bajinga ugodoludi angaphuma and ama-MC benza ngani ugodoludi nguyophume isikhathi sokuthi aphume singakakwani but sophuma masinya sondoda and bakhuluma baqeda basithembisa thina ukuthi uyaphenduka So it means sesigcinwa thina nti ngama-artista wekhaya sebesigcina stadium singahambi besithi akaphendukanga mina vele ngikhalela guys like abogodoluthi guys like abomagwaza you can't give umagwaza 10 minutes ngcono ungambizi total and then after that uqeda kungena abombari Chimrenga akuzwakali hayi look at because igala this mina ngambukela amagala kudala and ngesikhathi zabo Beata Mangete Sanrendebele and wakwazi ukuthi vele from 2 lapha sesigala lapha and but hayi lapha ni programming lapha bekungayisiyo lapha hayi programming bekungayisiyo sibili hayi bekungayisiyo safika I think safika emaphisa safika ngo past 11 saqala sayadinga indawo yokudla akade silemali sadinga indawo yokuwosa sawosa sadla sangena stadium ngabo 2 aso mistake vele singabona eposteni kulabo magwaza kulabo Godolude kulabo Abigail Mabuza sayisikwazi lezi izikhathi zabo le so nxa sibuya vele sibuya sizobona into abafana bekhaya benzana uzokuthiwa bonke laba sebeperform wasisele maybe Godolude Londux lo babu Chess sisenjeni mina para kumphatha
yenzana wena magala kathi
I've no problem with ubaba Harare. I love that guy and but akumake sense ukuthi avale igala esekhweza esemaphisa akwenza umkhulu lokho ngeke ngiyala whereas ukuthi if you ask anyone who stadium and unfortunately ngakhuthu magwaza ngakhuthu Abigail ngakhuthu Mxolisi and but ikatali likaGodola lathi likhala abantu bachiya konke ababekwenza like abantu ababexoxa leyo kumajuraholo and you'd see people actually begijima so and ukuthi this is what we've been waiting for and kuqeda kube 10 minutes then igala yonke bamelele ukuthi akuyaphenduka lokho kuyaphenduka ilala yaphuma hayi asihlonipheni ama-artist ekhaya and sizafaka for example ku-shutdown mina I wouldn't expect ukuthi umfana ekhaya avale i-shutdown because wonke umuntu uyabe siya ku-shutdown ngasho ukuthi ngiya ku-shutdown uthi siya ku-Winkidi so angeke ngi-expect ukuthi kuthiwa insimbi zezwane sizivale i-shutdown and bazatshaya labo ngesikhathi sabo but ungabona zongena uwinki it means akusela umuntu ongakwanisa ukulandela into yakhona vele ibrandwe njalo vele iright njalo and but lapha nama isemaphisa lapha and vele babalandelanisa abantu labana vele balabantu babo labana like banjalo vele ungabancindezeli ungamniki 10 minutes ngcono uthi machance akula performance because 10 minutes bona ngikhona besenza i-first routine so nxa sokuphuma anti national broadcast yikho mina ngicina nsithi propaganda because sokuphuma ngani kakwazi ukuperform anisezama ukuhlanganisa ukuthi kube ngani kuyahlangana nti ngoba khona vela ukuhlangana njalo so umuntu obukeleyo maybe esemtoko le ebesithi wagona akaphiwanga isikhathi sakhe sokuthi enze into yakhe ayikwanisa
Kales la ngicela ukuthi ume khona lapho.
Ngikhalela abafana bamberumba.
So let's yakhala guys ama organizers if they are watching this my organizers kuthiwa zamani ubungcono benu.
Yeah sure secela.
When it comes to programming because into leyi isikhulunywa ngayo kaningi ukuthi indlela eliprograma ngayo iline up yenu it's not
njenge independence Uyazuthi kwafana ukuthi bakufakela isithwala esichizayo lesiqandayo bathi get isijebo uyabuzile isithwala esiqandayo uthi bayisichizayo yikho sasikwenza lapha because andomuntu yobusungena kumuntu kufana ukuthi wena Karisa ngulalela isipiano
imagine Godolude then marriage Chimrenga
then LMG labana bathi sijabule namhlanje bathaye after Godolude labana bathaye after Godolude Hi, and it happened exactly like that.
guys. Thank you so much for watching. You know, before we close. Okay, before we close, any updates? Am I events?
Yeah, congratulations to Frank Chirisa. Frank Chirisa picked Alliance. It's French. You're not embassy French.
Yes.
Yeah. I think after a long time, it was my first time to see that amount of audience in a comedy show. Eyokuthi akubuthana ngama-comedian angu-60 ngumuntu eyi-1 and I think ngacina ukubona into ezinjalo khathi sabo Ntando besasengabo Ntando abo Clive like besayenza those into asa comedies what and yikho engacina ubona khona that amount of audience and ngaba proud ukuthi ama-chance ayapusha sibili ama-chance ayapusha so congratulations Frank Chirisa. I think massive marketing bra imsebenzi yabonakala. Let's keep pushing guys. Izimra iyabuya kithi very soon so singadinwa. Ama dates bakithi alahlekile umtshina wami loop alright. 30 May. What is guys 11 May, we've got 2 comedians in one house, one mic. It's going to be interesting. A Hope Center, we've got Mbongeni, Ignatius, Lontando, Van Moyo. Abantu abacelebrate birthday efana nayo ngelanga elifana nayo inyanga efana nayo kodwa iminyaka ehlukeneyo omunye lekhanda emhlophe omunye lekhanda elimnyama so iminyaka kayifanani. But 11 May we've got comedy a Hope Center. Tickets are going for only $5 so la uyakhala uzidla be $5 kuphela. We've got the play that goes wrong which is running from I've forgotten the date but mid-May Ebulawayo Theatre is going to be running for 2 weeks. The play that goes wrong local cast kuphela. Tickets are going for $10. It's a interesting comic play and I think now lesikhathi make your way and go and watch it. 31 May Amaqaqa they are launching an album Ebulawayo Theatre mhla 31 May. It's going to be on a Sunday from 6 p.m. Bakithi ungakhuthi amaqaqa avuba amaqaqa avayindela amaqaqa aqaqa. So make sure you go and watch amaqaqa Ebulawayo Theatre on the 31st of May. Then the king of them all, General Leslie is having a one-header which is melodic humor. General Leslie le band yakhe bekolisa Kwampane Ebulawayo Theatre. So it's going to be melodic humor. We are extracting humor from melodies and it's going to be interesting. So we are still open for partnership. We're still open for sponsors. Ama tickets, ama elipads. But they were going for $5. I think in 3 or less days ngiyabengasela ama elipads. So ama elipads angaphela tickets will be going for $10. Then VIP will be going for $20. So this is what is happening around Bulawayo. So many other shows that are happening. So now make sure we are follow our local creatives. We are ngena layo kuma spaces our local creatives so that some of these shows enyabe ngwakhutile lamla ekuhambeni kwami wena uyawabamba wena uyawathola. So I think this is what is happening around Bulawayo currently.
Sibongi, thank you so much Leslie for that very detailed update.
Yes.
And angwazi ukuthi uyabe unjani wena usithi awuloko kuya. Out of all the things that you mentioned, that was a mouthful. Thank you so much. And guys, siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi libukelile enkundleni exclusive brought to you by Dep3 Events. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget, we always encourage you to share ukuthi abanye labo babone bakholise ungakholisi wedwa. And also ama comments, please do comment siza ukuthi ucabangani nge-episode le esikade siyenza namhlanje. And also don't forget to subscribe. Follow Dep3 across all social media platforms, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, ikhona Dep3. And also mina Nonduduzo Ncube ngikhona across all social media platforms. The name is Nonduduzo Ncube. General Leslie laye ukhona. General Leslie all social media platforms. Also, please do follow and let us engage. Sixoxe, sizwanane. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you again next week, same place.
Yes, see you again next week, same place. It has been a tablet episode konapa at Depth 3 Studios. And now we are signing out. We are available across all social media platforms. Okwakhathesi salibona
Awona ma-show off.
singalikhangela. Oh,
Bye.
salibona singalikhangela.
Wozani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu Ndaba esegudwini